Thank you all for joining this MOOC, an introduction to designing a climate-neutral world. We have a lot of interesting topics to cover in this course, but first in this video we will be providing an overview of the content and explaining some practical matters. So before we begin, welcome. I'm glad you all have chosen to follow this MOOC and improve your understanding of this very important subject. My name is Cornelis Blok and I will be your teacher. In this graph, you can see the core of the problem, the unprecedented rise in CO2 emissions experienced since the start of the Industrial Revolution. This will have drastic and increasing impacts on our environment, unless we make a change. As you are probably aware, climate change is one of the most critical challenges of our time. It is therefore vitally important that we pursue efforts to mitigate it. We know this transformation is possible, but it will require an enormous effort from people and groups all across the world. This course is designed for those who want to take part. Let me start telling you a bit more about myself. I have worked all my professional life on the energy transition. I am now a professor at Delft University of Technology, and here is a brief summary of my background in the field of energy and climate change. I am a lead author of several assessment reports published by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. But anyway, enough about me. Our course is focused on providing an overall introduction to climate change mitigation. We will analyze the current energy system and find out what is needed to meet climate goals. We will learn about different mitigation strategies and methods to assess their performance. We have organized this content into 4 separate modules, each designed to be completed in a week. Firstly, we have climate change and the energy transition, where we take an in-depth look at the current energy system, its effects on the environment, and what needs to be done about it. In week 2, we will move on to the more technical topic of accounting energy and greenhouse gas emissions. These skills are vital for analyzing climate change mitigation. Next, in week 3, we explore how to analyze emission reduction options, especially their potentials and costs. Finally, in week 4, we take a closer look at the energy system and what is needed for the energy transition. Each week will follow roughly the same structure. We have created a number of videos covering different topics. These are accompanied by related exercises and quizzes. Then, at the end of each week, we also provide additional reading material for those of you who want to explore a certain topic in greater detail. Finally, it is also worth mentioning that this course is the first in a series of MOOCs developed at TU Delft. Course B will take a closer look at decarbonization in the building and transport sectors. Course C will then focus on the power and industry sectors. And then Course D will examine how national governments, municipalities, companies and other organizations can work together on the mitigation of climate change. So, there you go. Now we can move on to the subject at hand. Best of luck with the content to come, and I hope you thoroughly enjoy the course.